Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the British Airways 777-200ER and the Thai Airways 787-8 Dreamliner, both made by NG Models today. The first model we'll go through with will be the British Airways 777-200. So, this aircraft comes in 1/4 scale. As you can see from the box art, it looks neatly finished and there's a lot of detail on the box art. NG Models did a really good job of that, and I really do like NG Models boxes. They're really detailed and they have a lot of cool art on them, so I feel like it's a lot better than the old-fashioned Gemini Jets boxes where they're just kind of like, you know, regular and bland and boring. So at least these are different, and you know, this box looks pretty nice, lots of detail like I said. And open the model up. So this is what the model looks like in the protection casing. Also, one thing NG Models has done is they added these cool little cards to some of their newer models they release. I don't think they have these on their older models. So basically what they are is that on NG Models, on the website, they have like a partnership kind of rewards program, I believe, and you can actually redeem the code off of these cards and you can collect points, and in the future you can actually use these points to actually buy free models off the website. And I think it's a really unique way to share with collectors, you know, because it's kind of a rewards program, and it's really cool. So definitely check that out if you guys get, you know, a newly released NG Models aircraft. It will come with a card. But anyways, with the model here, I'm gonna open this up here. Right off the bat, the model looks absolutely gorgeous. Let me just pull it out of here gently. Yeah, and this is my first time actually having a NG Models 777-200 or 777 mold, so this will be new to me. Likewise with the 787 I purchased, the Thai 787, that's going to be my first 787-8 mold from NG. So right off the back here, just got this that way. We have the British Airways 777-200ER. This model looks absolutely gorgeous, like I said earlier. As I can tell, there's a lot of detail involved in here. And NG Models did a really good job on this by the looks of it. The aircraft has rollable landing gears as well, if you're into that. That's one feature NG Models does on most of the aircraft. I really like that they are doing that. Here's what the model looks like at a closer point of view. As I said, this model features quite a lot of detail from the looks of it. NG Models absolutely killed it with these details they have on the aircraft they're producing. You can see here, at the very front, you see the cockpit windows. Also has a printed cone on there. The British Airways logo and titles is really good. Also has a Wi-Fi dome and an antenna on the top, and 2 more antennas on here. Also the wing has some detail on there as well. You see down here the registration, Golf Yankee Mike November. Looks really good. And this is what it looks like from the back. So yeah. And let me just fix the camera a little bit so I can show the bottom half here. So, features, some good detail on here. Also the wings as well. and also has the registration on the side of the wing here. So yeah, looks really neat. And now we are going to unbox the Thai 787-8. So I'm just gonna put these boxes aside. Also got this on the side here, and we're gonna look at the Thai 787-8 Dreamliner. So right as you look further more into it, you can see the box has, the box also has a lot of cool art on here, like the British Airways one. So we got Boeing 787-8 Dreamliner titles, Thai Airways logo, registration, Hotel Sierra, Tango, Quebec, Echo. Looking good. The box is a little damaged, but I'm not too worried about that. So here, and that's what the box looks like. So let me just open this up here. So we got a nice clear plastic casing over here, and this model should also have another one of those cards. Oh, this one's kind of bented, but who cares? So the same identical kind of card, but it gives you a different code on there. And so the model looks like from the casing, and looks really cool. I'm gonna open this up. So this is my first 787-8 mold or model from NG, so this will be new for me. So the model, that's what it looks like. Just gonna take it out of the box here, and it looks really cool. NG Models is absolutely killing it with these models they're making. Looks really good. Some of the stuff on there. Anyways, here's the Thai 787-8 from NG Models. Looks really good. They did a really good job on the 787-8 mold. That's the one thing they needed to take themselves apart from any other model company that produces models. Like JC Wings, they have a really good 787-8 mold, and Gemini's is they use the same model as JC, and Phoenix Models is kind of horrible in my opinion. But NG Models is really on top for the 787 mold, so this is really nice. Let's get a closer look into the model here. So, and they did a good job on the livery as well. So get started on the nose of the aircraft here. Closer look into here. So we got the cockpit windows here, also nose cone, some sort of city labeled in Thai. Also got the Star Alliance logo there, L1 loading door. Got a lot of detail on here, like you can see over here, there's a lot of detail. So I got the engines. Engines looks really good. Did a really good job with that. My camera is being really annoying right now. It will not focus in. We also got Rolls-Royce engines. Looks really good. And we got the registration on the wing as well. Hotel Sierra, Tango, Quebec, Echo. And there's some moisture building up there. And there is the registration again, and the Boeing 787-8 title over there. And this model has quite a few antennas as well as the Wi-Fi box here. And it also has rollable landing gears. Just take a view of the underside. So really good job on there. Lots of detail, as you can see here. Also, the engines have a lot of detail. And there are some other antennas over here and some on the bottom. And on the top of the aircraft, there are some detail up here, like it's cool little squares on top that are red. So yeah, really nice. Just flip this around here. So this is what the very front of the aircraft looks like. Looks really good. This is the other side. So yeah. Pretty good. And it also has like a cool little stand holder on the bottom. So that's pretty cool. And that's the Thai 787-8 by NG Models. So overall, the British Airways 777-200 and the Thai 787-8 Dreamliner by NG are outstanding. They have lots of detail and the quality is perfect, to be honest. And you know, the molds also, they're really good. They're spot on. They look exactly like the real aircraft, and NG Models just keeps kicking them out of the park. They are releasing a lot more unique and cooler models in the years, so I hope they stand up with that. I'd give the British Airways 777-200 a 8.8 out of 10, and the Thai 787-8 probably a 9 out of 10. So really good models. I would definitely recommend you guys to buy them if you find any. So yeah, that concludes my video review on these two models. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of them. Be sure to check out my TikTok and my Instagram. They're the same name, Canadian Aviation 12, and I post the same type of content on there as I post on here, just a bit more frequent. So yeah, definitely subscribe, like, comment on this video. I love to hear your feedback and your support. So yeah, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.